Mac Builders and yung delayed completion of the Zamboanga Passenger Terminal. Anyari doon?
Upon our evaluation with Mac Builders and the current PTB there in Zamboanga, the PP has decided to terminate its contract with the contractor Mac Builders due to a variety of factors.
Kung hindi ko pa ginawan ito ng privilege speech, hindi niyo pa tinterminate ang contract. Bakit? Matagal nang nireklamo ito ng mga taga Zamboanga. Ang dami namang nagsulat sa inyo. Niininformahan kayo, PPA. And so as we. At ngayon, ang dami pang pinagsasabi, parang naghugas kamay ka. Come on, wag mo akong lokohin. O, bakit hindi mo inaksyonan?
Because, sir, we're always currently reviewing as well. We also have to...
Reviewing?
The due process, we're asking...
Due process, isang taon na inireklamo sa inyo? Katagal-tagal ng delay? Come on, don't make a fool out of us here. Kaya lang hindi nyo inaksyonan, ikaw lang at ang Panginoong Diyos ang nakakaalam kung bakit. At saka ito pa, blacklisted itong Mac Builders. Yung Mac Builders na suspindi ang lisensya nito. 1 year. Kasi nga sa mga kapalpakan nila. Wala pang 1 year, nilift nyo yung suspension at 1 month pa lamang, eto na, nabigyan na ng kontrata para gawin itong Zamboanga Passenger Terminal. Don't tell me na nakapikit ka habang nakipag-usap sa kanila para igo yung kanilang contract. Kailan nyo nalaman na super delayed na yung project na Mac Builders?
The project was delayed on the very onset because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And
Kailan
so,
po natapos yung COVID?
around 2022, but that was the start.
Gaano ba dapat katagal gawin itong terminal na ito?
The original contract is for 720 days until Feb 12, 2023 from February of 2021. So,
Okay.
3 years. Due to time adjustments and extensions by the contractor, we moved it to January 2025.
But it is now September 2025.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Habang ako ang committee chair sa public services, hindi ako papayag na yung budget na naibigay na o na-allocate na para sa project na yan sa Zamboanga Port Terminal ay madadagdagan pa. Hindi na. Kung kinakailangan, mag-abono kayo. Kung saan yung kukunin yung pera, wag lang sa pera ng kaban ng bayan. So be it. Wag lang yung ikurakot. Let's be clear on that. So, available budget with PPA is 402.
Yes, Mr.
And you
Chair.
still have that 402 million.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yan ang sinasabi ko na wag na kayong humingi pa ng dagdag.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pwede kayong magsoli, wag na kayong manghingi pa. Kasi matagal na nagsakripisyo, attorney, yung mga taga Zamboanga. Pinahirapan nyo na sila. Come on, at least man lang sabihin mo kung kailan matatapos to para mag-expect sila.
Mr. Chair, I just got word we will do our best to meet it late next year.
2026. Okay, sige. Pero sa susunod na hearing, gusto ko mas malapit-lapit pa dyan, magbigay ka ng buwan.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.